Have you ever attended a class where you learned about personal finance or financial literacy? Since money management is rarely taught in schools, your answer is most likely no. Even so, it is a crucial component of a well-balanced lifestyle. Thus, it should be a part of every teenager's education. However, you'll have to do it yourself if your school doesn't do it for you. Begin your education now by following these 7 financial literacy tips for teens. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Learn about budgeting. Start by asking your parents for suggestions if they maintain a personal budget. Even if you don't have any monthly expenses to pay, you may understand the process and the importance of budgeting. Enter your numbers and see where you end up. If you discover that you are spending more than you are earning, consider changing your purchase habits. You must keep track of your spending by writing it down in a notebook or using a tool like a Google spreadsheet. You should compare your actual costs to your monthly budget on a frequent basis and make modifications to stay within your budget. This is how your budget will assist you in meeting your short-term and long-term objectives. Number 2. Save a portion of everything. Start by opening a savings account if you don't already have one. If you're under 18, you may need your parents to co-sign or open your account. Save a percentage of whatever money you get, whether it's a birthday check from a relative, a cash present from mom or dad, a wage, or even your weekly or monthly allowance. Even if you just save 25% of your money, you're doing yourself a favor. Number 3. Look for better deals. When you want to purchase anything, first investigate whether there is a lower-priced item on eBay or Amazon. Sign up for email updates from Fat Wallet or Slick Deals to receive a list of discounted prices on various products sent to your inbox every day. Number 4. Be careful with credit cards. When you go to college, credit card firms may often convince you to sign up for their credit cards. They will attempt to persuade you that having a credit card is like having free money to spend while only paying a minimal amount each month. This money attitude may be quite harmful since you are more likely to build up credit card debt rapidly and get entangled in an inescapable high-interest rate nightmare. For example, a $3,000 credit card debt with an 18% interest rate would take almost 22 years to pay off, with just minimum payments, costing more than $4,100 in interest charges. When you charge the card, be sure you have enough money in the bank to pay off the credit card amount each month on schedule. If you miss a payment, you may be charged a late penalty, which could lower your credit score. A good credit score allows you to get a vehicle loan or even a mortgage to purchase your first house at a cheap interest rate in the future, saving you money on interest payments. Number 5. Understand wants and needs. It's simple to spend money. What is difficult is spending money intelligently. Separating your wants from your needs and spending money mostly on your necessities is one strategy to help you spend money effectively. Consider your present needs as well as what you may need in the coming months. Put what you need and the associated expenditures in one column, and what you desire and the associated prices in another. Ask yourself, can I live without these wants? Are there better alternatives? For example, suppose you've decided you need a cell phone. Is a used cell phone a better option than a new cell phone in terms of saving money for other necessities? Putting them down allows you to better prioritize your expenditures. Number 6. Forget about peer pressure. Have you ever felt left out because your friend has the newest smartphone and you don't? Put it out of your mind. Ignore it if you are teased or mocked. Social pressure and spending money don't mix, and if you're spending your money to please your friends, you're doing yourself no favors. Number 7. Start earning cash now. As a teenager, there are several opportunities to make money. You may babysit, mow the lawn, instruct younger children, or even do errands for the elderly in your area. If you have a lot of old, unwanted items, consider holding a garage sale. The sooner you start making money, the better you will be able to manage it. These teen money management strategies may seem simple to implement, but the toughest part is getting started. It is never too early to begin teaching oneself money management skills, and it is critical to understand that practice is the key to success. Making a budget is a smart start, as is obtaining a job to contribute to your budget and then sticking to your goals. Remember to reevaluate your situation on a regular basis. Budgeting should become a continuous part of your lifestyle. Don't get caught up in trends and don't compare yourself to others, since both are good ways to spend money you don't have. This is all from today's video. Thanks for watching and remember to smash the bell icon.